Officer, West Khasi Hills District, in collaboration with the Office of the District Mission Coordinator (SSA), on Tuesday organized Jan Bhagidari events and activities program on the theme Ensuring Foundational Literacy and Numeracy, especially in Blended Learning, at a program held at Vani Hall, St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, Pindiangre, Nongstoin. The program was attended by Additional Deputy Commissioner D. Bla as the chief guest. Speaking at the program, ADC stated that the program provides an opportunity for mutual interaction and engagement for students and teachers, even as she emphasized that education should be enjoyable for the students and it should not create or incite a sense of fear among them.
Menta akane kejong ni menta kibun kilukon kilat kilinti kibangin yo ya kijinglang start ndai atang hapo classroom. The basic foundation is very important. So this ngakantuyo baro hini ginohikan bakin kin snoto how important